Hey friends, if you encounter that yellow and blue shield over an icon for a certain application and you wish to remove it, then please watch this video. It's called the UAC or the User Account Control Shield, and this has been discussed over this article. So it simply means that you need administrator privileges. Now how do we do this? Let's say this is the application. Right click on it, select Run as Administrator, and it will open the application with administrator privileges. But one user said, "Thank you for your reply, but I only want to know how to remove that shield. I want to get that shield removed. I don't want to open it as an administrator." So you can change the user account control settings for it. Search for UAC in the Windows search bar or user account control in the Windows search bar and click on change user account control and bring the slider down by 1 bit. Click on OK and check if it helps in solving the problem. If not, bring it down by another bit. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.